The 100 offers rule. Wholesaling real estate really comes down to one important key metric, one important KPI, one important thing, and this is offers. So this is why in today's video, I want to break down exactly why you need to follow the 100 offer rule for your wholesaling real estate business and how this can lead to a lot of wholesaling real estate success and success beyond your wildest dreams in wholesaling real estate. So many people come up to me and they said, Zach, I've tried everything you've done. I did all your stuff. I went to freewholesaling.com, all the information, the one-on-one calls and everything, and I'm just not getting my first deal. And I blame you and your information. I get this call a lot. And really all I have to do is ask one really important question. How many offers had you made? And a lot of the time people come back and they give me a blank stare like, what do you mean? I thought we were supposed to track how many calls we're making and that's the only thing that's going to make me a good wholesaler or not. No, the truth is I talk about marketing a lot. I talk about how important it is, how important cash buyers, but honestly, in wholesaling real estate, whoever can make the most offers wins in this business. So that's why in today's video, I want to break down the 100 offers rule, exactly what it is and how you can use it to make a ton of money in your business. And so you can start giving offers and start getting deals. But before I break it down, do me a big favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and let's break it all down. So like I said before, wholesaling real estate really comes down to one thing, and that's making offers. And this is why I wanted to make a video on the 100 offers rule. And basically what the 100 offers rule is if you can make at least 100 to 200 offers every single month, you will definitely get a deal. And I challenge so many people today to go actually out here and give offers out. I've been saying on this YouTube channel forever, but the more offers you make, the better chance it's another at-bat like baseball where you can go out here and get a home run, get a single, get a double, or even get a triple. The more offers you can make, the better chance you are to get in a deal. Now, this doesn't say you should skip your marketing and your dispositions and all these things, but you should be focusing on how many offers am I getting? And I think this is going to be a big wake-up call for so many people watching this that aren't giving offers. They're not going out here and giving the right offers for the motivated sellers, or they're actually out here and they're not doing what they actually need to be doing in their business. This year, giving offers in your wholesaling real estate business is going to be one of the key metrics to see if you're going to be successful or not. I really look at wholesaling real estate as an assembly line. Think of Henry Ford and how he was able to go make his cars. He didn't make them all by hand. He had people doing it, but he figured out the assembly line to make a car was the best part. One person puts the tire on, one person puts the engine on, one person does some couple screws. This assembly line process made the best results for his business. And wholesaling real estate is done in a very similar aspect. It has 3 assembly lines: marketing, acquisitions, and dispositions. And really how this works is marketing is us finding people who want to sell their property. Acquisitions is converting the person that wants to sell the property into a contract, and dispositions sells that contract to a cash buyer via an assignment of contract. Remember, in wholesaling real estate, we're selling the assignment of contract. We're actually selling the contract itself to the cash buyer, not the property. And the meaning of this video today is to put you into an upward spiral. You've probably heard of a downward spiral when somebody loses their job and then eventually it brings them to getting arrested or doing something bad or stupid. And that principle is 100% true. But also the principle of an upward spiral is true, where you do one good thing and this leads to so many other good things happening to you in your wholesaling real estate business. For example, if you do more marketing, you're going to get more leads. And when you get more leads, you're going to be able to give more offers to sellers. And the more offers you give to sellers means more accepted sellers, which means more contracts written. And when you have more contracts written, you can sell that to more buyers, which means you sell more deals, you get more cash buyers, and you eventually make more money. So it's kind of funny that the more you market will eventually trickle down to you making more money. The more offers you make gives you to more money. The more leads you have will lead you to more money. The more contracts written will lead you to more money. This is all a conveyor belt system, guys and gals. But one of the biggest bottlenecks in an assembly line, especially this assembly line, is you actually going out here and giving offers. A lot of wholesalers are hesitant to talk to a seller and just give them an offer or offer them a lowball price. I think a lot of wholesalers think they have to have the perfect type of seller out here to get this done, but the honest truth is, even if it seems like a semi-average deal, just give the offer. Now, I've been around this business for a decent amount of time, and I can tell you, there's been a lot of deals I've had where I didn't really think it was going to be a deal, but I just gave a lowball offer to the seller and they accepted it. Guys, you know I do my live cold calls all the time on my YouTube channel, and I actually give a lot of lowball offers on some of these Zillow for sale by owner deals, and I actually get these contracts accepted, and I lowball like $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 below the listing price, and heck, I treat it like the asking price. So when somebody's asking for $100K for the deal, I could care less. I'm gonna offer 50 or 60. It's what you're asking. I can always lowball you more. And yes, this is an unpleasant truth, but the more offers you give means the more denials on that offer. So I'm not 100% on my offers. I'll tell you straight up, I'll probably say 30 to 40% of my offers are accepted. And if I'm doing like a Zillow for sale by owner, or I'm just shooting off the hip, I'm probably closer to 20 to 25%. But overall, it's around 40 to 50%. But do you know whose field goal percentage was around 50%? Kobe, Michael Jordan, and LeBron James. And if you look at the three-point percentages, they're hovering from 20, 30 to 40%, the greatest basketball players of all time. So if they're shooting 30, 40% from the three-point line, they're not expecting to make every single shot, and no one's expecting them to either. They're one of the greatest of all time, and they're not even shooting 100%. So what does that mean for you? It's better still to throw the points up and try to shoot than not to do it ever at all. Now, this is a cliche line from Wayne Gretzky, but you do miss 100% of the shots you didn't take. And that is the point of this video. If you have a shot and you're wide open, you got the ball, go up and shoot it. Maybe it doesn't go in, but you're not gonna lose the game by not making it. And if you make it, you're gonna win. So the moral of today, if you can get any value from this video, is you need to be lowballing more and you gotta be offering more. So lower your offers, increase your volume of offers out here. You're gonna get more properties under contract and you're gonna make a lot more on your deals. I always tell everybody, like, think of your lowest possible offer you wanna give to a seller that makes you uncomfortable in your stomach and reduce that by 20%. I promise you, that would be a good lowball offer to start with. And if you use any of the strategies like the good cop, bad cop, the dollar bill method, the volley method, or even the price first method that we teach at freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course, you'll learn exactly how to offer and, most importantly, lowball offer your motivated sellers without your seller actually being mad at all. They're actually going to be okay by you lowballing the offer. Or if they get mad at you, you can deflect it to your partner or something like that. But really, if you know how to lowball the right way, you're going to have confidence to increase your offers and increase your lowball offers out here. So that being said, the million-dollar question is, so Zach, how do I do 100 offers a month? How's that even possible? Well, the key here is to get more opportunities at the three-point line. And how do I get more opportunities to take my shots, to make my offers out? Well, if you're being double teamed, it's gonna be a lot harder, right? So the best way to get more offers out there to your motivated sellers is by marketing more. Marketing more will give you more opportunities to go out here and give offers to your motivated sellers. So that's what we got to focus on. And we should also focus on marketing opportunities that allow us to actually go out here and give a bunch of offers out to our motivated sellers. These are opportunities with a lot of ugly properties, with a high chance of somebody wanting to sell their property versus the amount of leads that we pull. For example, like the drawing for dollars and the reverse drawing for dollars list. If I have a list of 500 of these leads, there's probably gonna be 3, 4, even 5 people that just want to get rid of their property and want an offer right now. If I did that with a 500 lead of high equities, I might not even get that. Another really good one here is government lists, the code violations, water shutoff, fire damaged properties, tax liens, tax delinquencies, the arrest record list, the bail bondsman lists. These type of government lists can go on and on and on forever. You can get people behind their taxes like the IRS debt lien lists and the credit card debt lien lists. But really, a lot of these people are just wanting offers on their properties right now. And most importantly, one of the most motivated lists right now that just need offers within a month or two are going to be the pre-foreclosure list too. This is a list you can get absolutely for free from the clerk of the court website, or you can actually go and pay for this list on a service like listrei.com or zachdata.com. So how do you reach out to these type of sellers? Really, it's whatever you really want, right? There's SMS text blasting, there's cold calling, there's direct mail, there's reverse drawing for dollar sticky notes. Heck, there's even door knocking. There's a million ways to get a deal in wholesaling real estate. But the truth is, if you can find a list, contact these sellers and let it be known that you're looking to buy properties, you're going to be lined up for the perfect opportunity to give an offer to your seller, which will lead you to giving more offers. One of the best ones I've always found are Zillow for sale by owners. Now, you can't be doing Zillow for sale by owners full time. I would probably say the Zillow for sale by owner list in your city or county, you can probably call that entire list in a week. And really, you should only be going after Zillow for sale by owners that are over 100 days old, that are below your median home price. And really, you can call that list once or twice a year, maybe even 3 times. So the truth is, increase your marketing. This will lead you to give more offers to your motivated sellers and eventually more deals for you. Guys, go out here. I challenge you to do at least 100 offers this month. And I'm telling you, you will see your change in the amount of offers you're making, the amount of deals you're doing, the amount of marketing you're doing. And once you set yourself up for that goal, I promise you, your wholesaling business will change. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a big favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you never miss a live stream from me or when a video drops like this. And make sure you go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course. Guys, I really appreciate it. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.